particular video, I have something really special. This is the first year, it's a 1999 Prowler. These cars are a fantastic road car. Let's talk about a little bit of the history about the car before we get into what a Prowler really is. Chip Foose, the famous design and builder, was asked to help out on the design of the Prowler. And this is what they have come up with. Now you got to remember what the Prowler is. This is one of America's first attempts at a very lightweight sports car. It has an all aluminum frame underneath. This entire car comes in just over 2,800 pounds. That is it, fully loaded. It did not need a V8. This car comes with an aluminum block, high output V6 with fuel injection. The 3.5 liter is at 253 horsepower. That's all this car needs. It is a nice driving car. The original idea was not to have some monster beast laying rubber for a block. The original idea was to give you a very nice road handling car. And that is exactly what the Prowler is. It is made to be driven. You could drive this car every day. They are solid, they are dependable. A lot of the clubs in America, all about driving these vehicles. The clubs take road trips. Why? I'm going to repeat this. The cars are dependable. They're great handling. They're very comfortable to drive. They come with everything. It has an independent front suspension. It has disc brakes. It has powered steering, AC, heat, powered windows, even has airbags. That is a safe driving car. That being said, if you want more horsepower, just like anything else, right? The lawyers get involved, they kind of detune the cars. That doesn't mean the car can't give you more. Simply buy a performance chip, take it to your local tuner, let them do their magic. They'll hand you something back. The power chips on these can give you 45, even more horsepower, depending on your tuner. If you want to push out close to 290, you can do that. But it's not necessary. These cars don't need that. They're fine the way they are. Enjoy the vehicle. Okay? This is a great exception. It's never been played with. It's completely stock. It's a beautiful car. It has just over 17,000 original miles. Even comes with a matching trailer. Now we're going to do a full walk around. We're going to look at this car. We're going to see it in great detail. Let's talk something personal here. I have one of these cars, or let me back up a little bit. My Pam has one of these cars. We have a full custom Prowler. That is what I want to touch on. These have such a following, you can completely customize your Prowler. I mean, if you want to go with a chrome grille, you want lined outdoors, you want a ground effects kit, there are tons of custom parts for you to make it your own. That is one of the fun parts about having one of these cars. My car was built by Roger McManaman. Back in the day, it was better known as Flat Top. He's a custom car builder. We happen to own his very last custom car built. It is absolutely beautiful. Pam loves driving her car. I enjoy driving the car. It is absolutely amazing what you can do on these cars. So, that being said, let's get back to this beautiful Prowler. If you have any questions, since I own one personally, I'd be glad to answer those because it is coming from an owner. I personally like these cars. They're very nice. I have a large, collection of cars. There's a difference between a show car and a driver. These are the driving cars. Get them out on the road. Let people enjoy it. And if you want to have some fun, Go to your local drive-in on a Friday night where the younger crowd is actually hanging out. A lot of them have never seen one of these, and they flock to the car and they swear it's a brand new car because they have never seen one. The styling is coming back in a big way. These are going to be a great investment. Grab yours now, hang on to it, and watch them go through the roof. In the next few years, you're going to see that. Okay, enough being said. Let's get to our video. Let's enjoy this car. Thank you.
KZOK.com.
When you use Bounce dryer sheets and your clothes look amazing, it's the sheets.
All right, we're going to check the AC. Fans. Instantly works. These cars have a very powerful fan. I'm going to put it on medium, and now I'm going to check, the different settings here. Okay. Doing the defrost here. Yes, defrost does work. Now let's do the different settings. We're going to really crank on the AC on this. Let's find out what we have. Okay, the AC kicks in, very smooth. Now let's try a little heat. Probably have to take it a second to switch over. Very quick. So the AC and the heat does work in the car. They are very smooth. I don't have any noise coming off the compressor. It kicked on right away. Man, the heat in this car is fabulous. It is warm already. Only took it seconds. that concludes our video on this absolutely beautiful Prowler. Remember, you're welcome to come in our shop. I am open to the public. I do have the lifts, I have the tools. We can do all the inspection you want right here on the spot. I'd be glad to meet you. Spend the day with us. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. Look at my webpage for all my beautiful cars. It's pantherroadclassics.com. Remember to follow us on Facebook and YouTube. I look forward to seeing you at our next video. Thank you again. See you next time.